Okay, let's continue with trapezoids. Our video 2 here, we have the mid-segment of trapezoids. So a mid-segment of a trapezoid connects the midpoints of each leg. So if we have our trapezoid here, we know that E should be the midpoint of AD and F should be the midpoint of BC. That is what denotes that it is the mid-segment. So it's the middle segment. So if EF is the mid-segment of trapezoid ABCD, then AB is parallel to CD, which is parallel to EF. So basically we're saying all of these pieces are parallel. Okay. Then EF, the mid-segment, is equal to me finding the midpoint. So adding up AB and DC, dividing it by 2. So AB plus DC divided by 2. Or you could write it like 1/2 times AB plus DC. 1/2 times that is the same thing as dividing it all by 2. So let's jump in. If AB is 14 and DC is 26, find EF. So we're using this trapezoid picture for A and B. So if AB is 14, DC is 26, find the middle segment. So we're going to go ahead and do AB plus DC and divide that by 2. And that will give us EF. So 14 plus 26, divide that by 2. 14 plus 26 is 40. Divide that by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So EF is 20. Now we have EF, the midsegment, is 22. DC is 38. Find AB, the smaller one. So we'll use the same formula. AB plus DC divided by 2 equals EF. Plug in what we know. We don't know AB. So we could replace AB with just one letter, a variable. How about X? Plus DC, that's 38, divided by 2 equals EF, which is 22. Multi-step equation here. Multiply by 2 on both sides. These cancel. So X plus 38 equals 44. Subtract 38, so X equals 44 minus 38 is 6. So that means AB equals 6. If you had plugged it into this equation here, you would get the same answer. You may just end up with fractions or decimals for a little bit. Okay, last two here. For a trapezoid, W, X, Y, Z, U and V are the midpoints of the legs. Find UV. So this time we just have a longer number sentence rather than just numbers. So we're going to say the top plus the bottom, so X plus 7 plus 6X plus 5, all divided by 2 equals the mid segment, 8X minus 3. Combine our like terms. And we can go ahead and get rid of this fraction here. So multiply by 2 to get rid of this fraction. On the right side, we'll distribute it. So 8 times 2 is 16x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Okay. On the left side, when we multiplied by 2 to get rid of the fraction, the 2's canceled. So we could just drop this whole numerator down, or we could simplify it in the same step. So let's go ahead and just simplify. 1x plus 6x, 7x. And now 7 plus 5 is 12. Combining our like terms, subtracting 7x. So 16 minus 7 is 9x. Add 6 to both sides, so we get 18. Divide by 9, so x equals 2. Now I was asked to find, ultimately, UV, so our mid-segment. So we have 8 times x, which is 2, minus 3. So I'll say UV equals 16 minus 3 is 13. Our last one here, for trapezoid PQRS, Y and Z are midpoints of the legs. So find YZ. So similarly, we'll say 38 plus the bottom, x plus 14, divided by 2 equals 5x minus 19. Let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 2. So combine our like terms here. We have x plus 38 plus 14 should give us 52 equals, distribute here, so 10x minus 38. Combine our like terms, subtract 1x, so we get 9x. Add 38 to both sides, we get 90. X equals 10. To find YZ, we plug that in right here. So we have 5 times 10 minus 19. So YZ equals 5 times 10 is 50, minus 19 should be 31.